Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Facebook app. So once you tap on your Facebook, you need to now navigate to your profile. That is basically on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you need to simply scroll down through the profile settings, and once you scroll down, you can find an option called turn off your professional mode. So you need to simply tap on that particular option, and once you have clicked on it, you will be redirected to this interface. So now here you need to simply tap on the continue button and tap on the turn off option. After doing this, you will be able to simply turn off the professional mode on your Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting videos like this.